Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to extract audio from your video in the CapCut video editing software. Let me show you how. So this particular clip right here in my timeline. So what you want to do here is extract audio from the video. Right click on the video clip in the timeline, then navigate to extract audio right here, or press Ctrl plus Shift key. Yes, go ahead and click on extract, and in a few seconds you have the audio file right here. So you can go ahead and delete the video. So you can go ahead and click on the video file now and delete the video. But in some cases, when you delete the video file, you see everything mess up and disappear. Press Ctrl Z and bring it back. Okay. What you need to do right here is to select the audio file, come to the track details right here, go ahead and lock the track, then select the video clip and then go ahead and delete the video. Now you have only the audio file right here. Now you can export the audio file. Go ahead and come to the export tab right